जोहार झारखंड। आज 7 जनवरी 2023 फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी में पार्ट 5 में द ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट बताने जा रहे हैं जो एकेडमिक परीक्षाओं में भी और कॉम्पिटिटिव परीक्षाओं में भी समान रूप से उपयोगी हैं। फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी में जो हम पढ़े हैं पिछले क्लास में, उसमें नॉर्दर्न स्टेट के बारे में पढ़े थे, जिसमें मुख्यतः 10 स्टेट आते थे, जो जम्मू कश्मीर, पंजाब, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, ये सब आते थे। द ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया इंक्लूड छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, उड़ीसा, आसाम, नागालैंड, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, अरुणाचल प्रदेश और सिक्किम आते हैं। इस प्रकार हम 13 स्टेट के बारे में आज हम आपको चर्चा करेंगे। सभी स्टेट के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट वेजिटेशन, इम्पोर्टेंट सिटीज, इम्पोर्टेंट क्रॉप्स, सेरल्स के बारे में आप जानेंगे। छत्तीसगढ़ एंड झारखंड lie largely in the southern plateau. Odisha lies partially in southern plateau and partially in the eastern coastal plain. West Bengal and Assam lie largely in the northern plain. Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim lie in eastern part of Himalayas, also known as the Purvanchal Hills. The 7 states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura are together known as the Seven Sisters. This is because these 7 states have much in common in terms of culture and history. They are also dependent on each other economically. जो पहला स्टेट्स मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है ईस्टर्न भारत में, वह है छत्तीसगढ़। Chhattisgarh is located in the central eastern part of India. It was carved out of Madhya Pradesh in the year 1st November 2000. The neighboring states of Chhattisgarh are Meghalaya, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Other major cities include Bilaspur, Bhilai, Raidar, and Jagdalpur. The state has a variety of landforms such as plains, mountain, range, and plateau. The Satpura and the Vindhyachal ranges cover large parts of Chhattisgarh. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers the eastern parts of this state. The major rivers that flow through these states are Mahanadi, Godavari, Indravati, and Narmada. Most of Chhattisgarh is covered with forests. The trees commonly found here are sal, teak, tendu, and bamboo. The main crops in Chhattisgarh is paddy. Other crops grown are wheat, maize, groundnut, pulses, wild seeds, and variety of millet. CM Bhupesh Badal since दिसंबर 2018 और गवर्नर अनुसुईया उइके सिंस 17 जुलाई 2019। दूसरा स्टेट जो मैंने चयन किया है जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स में है वह झारखंड। झारखंड इज लोकेटेड इन द ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. It was carved out of the southern part of Bihar in 15th November 2000. It lies partially in the Indo-Gangetic Plain and partially in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Its neighboring states are Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Other major cities are Botaro, Dhanbad, Jamshedpur, and Hazaribagh. A major part of Jharkhand is occupied by the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The highest point of Jharkhand is peak of Parasnath, 4,477 feet. Lowland plains are found in northwestern and northeastern parts of the state. The major rivers that flow through Jharkhand are Damodar, Swarnarekha, Baratar, Ajay, Tul, and Sartay. Jharkhand has hot, humid summers and cold winters. During the monsoon season, the rainfall on the plateau is usually heavier than on the plain. Jharkhand has vast areas under forest cover. Sal trees grow over the hilly slopes. Tendu, sesame, and bamboo are grown in these forests. Ther grass grows on plateau. The crops grown in Jharkhand are rice, millet, maize, wheat, pulses, gram, and mustard. 24 districts in Jharkhand. Chief Minister Hemant Soren since 2019. Governor Draupadi Murmu since 2015. West Bengal lies in the eastern part of India. Its neighboring states are Sikkim, Assam, Odisha, Jharkhand, and Bihar. It is bounded on the south by of Bengal, on the north by Bhutan, and on east by Bangladesh. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Other important cities include Asansol, Durgapur, Bharatpur, Darjeeling, and Siliguri. Darjeeling is a famous hill station in North Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. West Bengal stretches from the Himalayas in the north to Bay of Bengal in the south. Thus, the landforms of West Bengal consist of the Himalayan mountain region and their Terai, the plains and delta region, the Purulia plateau region, and the region of the coastal plain. The main rivers flowing through West Bengal are Hooghly and Damodar. In the plains, summers are hot and humid and winter cool and short. Thunderstorm, Tal Besaithi bring rain and hail in April and May. The rainy season lasts from June to September and the rainfall is heavy. In the mountain, winters are cold and some places even experience snowfall. Mangrove forests are found in the Sundarban near the coast. Sal forest abound in western plateau. On the mountains, oak, chestnut, pine, mandolia, and bamboo grow naturally. In the West Bengal, farmers grow many crops like rice, jutes, and tea. Rice is cultivated thrice a year. This is possible because of the heavy monsoon rains that flood the field, making them ideal for the cultivation of rice. Jute is an important cash crop. grown along the banks of the Hooghly River, like rice, jute to grow in flooded fields during the monsoon. Tea is grown in plantations in the northern mountains, especially around Darjeeling. Next state is Odisha. Odisha lies in the eastern coast of India. Its neighboring states are West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. The Bay of Bengal lies to its east. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Other major cities are Tatat, Raurkela, Sambalpur, and Puri. The land forms of the state consist of mountain range, plateau, coastal plains, and floodplains. The major rivers flowing through Odisha are Mahanadi, Baitarni, Brahmani, and Swarnaretha. Nearly one-third of Odisha is covered with forest. Trees commonly found here are bamboo, teak, rosewood, and padut. The crops grown in Odisha are rice, millet, pulses, oilseed, sugarcane, jute, and coconut. Lindra's temple in Bhubaneswar is believed to be around 1000 years old. Lake Chilta, Odisha is saltwater lake and is home to many different types of birds. Many birds fly here from Europe to spend the winter there. Assam is a small state in northeastern parts of India. It is surrounded by seven states: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. Bhutan lies to its north. Dishpur is the capital of Assam. Other important cities are Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Didboi, and Tezpur. The landforms of the state consist of the Brahmaputra River Valley, the Barat River Valley, and the hilly region between Meghalaya and Nagaland and Manipur of these regions. The Brahmaputra River Valley is the largest and the most populated. The major rivers of Assam are the Brahmaputra, the Budhe Dhyan, the Dhansiri, and the Barat. Thick evergreen forests grow on the hill slope as a result of the heavy rainfall. An important tree in this forest is the Nahor, also called Iron wood. Rice is the most important cereal grown in Kharif season. Jute and tea are major cash crops. Tea is grown widely in the Brahmaputra Valley. Assam grows most of India's tea. Assam tea has a dark, strong color. Fruit like orange and pineapple are also grown. Nagaland is one of the smallest states of India. Nagaland lies along the northeastern boundary of India. The states that neighbors it are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Manipur. To its lies Myanmar. The major rivers that flow through the Mizorams are Taladam, Tivand, and Tiddu. The Taladam rivers parts the border between Mizoram and Myanmar. More than the three-fourths of Mizoram is under forest cover. These trees such as bamboo, champat, ironwood, and durjun are commonly found here. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Mizoram. The crops grown here are rice, toron, maize, yam, cotton, and vegetable. Fruit such as the Mandarin orange, passion fruit, grapes, pineapple, and papaya are also grown here. Meghalaya lies in the northeastern part of India. Assam is the neighboring states of Meghalaya. Bangladesh lies to its south and southwest. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Other important cities are Tura, Cherrapunji, Bhadmara, and Nodpo. Meghalaya consists of hills and plateaux. It includes the Thasi, Daro, and Jantia Hill. Some of the important rivers that flow through Meghalaya are Danoi, Jhinjiram, Someswari, and Mathandu. Masiram and Cherrapunji, two of the wettest parts place in the world, lie in Meghalaya. Meghalaya, meaning the land of cloud, is known for the dense cloud that lie over its hill. Meghalaya is covered with forests. Trees such as pine, sal, and bamboo are found in abundance. Other trees found here include oak, beech, and mahadunia. The, the main crops grown in Meghalaya are rice, millet, corn, potato, pepper, chilies, cotton, gingers, jute, and betel nuts. Fruits such as oranges and mangoes and vegetables are also grown. Tripura is located in the northeastern part of India. Assam and Mizoram are the neighboring states of Tripura. It is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Other important cities are Talbesa, Talas, Har, Udaipur, Dhramnagar, and Belonia. Tripura consists of mountain ranges and valley in the central and northern parts and fertile plain in the west. River Dumti is the main river that flows through Tripura. A large part of Tripura is covered with sal, bamboo, and tan forests. Dorjon and Damhar tree are also found here. Grasslands and swamps can be found in the plain. The major crop grown in Tripura is rice. Other crops grown are jute, cotton, tea, potato, coconut, and sugarcane. Fruits such as jackfruits, pineapple, oranges, and mangoes are also grown. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Other important cities include Dimapur and Motochand. Most of Nagaland is mountainous. Lowlands are found in area bordering Assam. Mount Saramati is the highest peak at 3840 meters. The major rivers that flow through the states are Dhansiri and Barat. The slope of the hill mountains of Nagaland are covered with dense forest. The lower slopes are covered with jungles of bamboo tree like Velu and Mahogany. The higher slopes have fir, oak, beech, and chestnut trees. Red and white rhododendron and orchid grow in abundance. A variety of crops are grown in these states, such as rice, millet, gram, and vegetable like cabbage, tomatoes, and potatoes. Spices like garlic, ginger, chili, and bay leaves are cultivated. Sugar cane is an important cash crop. Fruit like banana, oranges, pineapple, pears, jackfruit, and plums are also harvested. Manipur lies in the northeastern parts of India. Its neighboring states are Nagaland, Mizoram, and Assam. To its coast lies Myanmar. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Other important cities include Uttarul, Bishnupur, Thauwal, Chandel, and Churchandpur. Manipur state consists of two major landforms, the Manipur River Valley and the surrounding mountainous region. Manipur River, along with its tributaries Imphal, Iril, and Thuda, are some of the major rivers that flow through the states. Manipur has several lakes the most important of them being the Lod Tut. Lod Tut is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. The natural vegetation consists of tall and short grasses, reeds and bamboo, and variety of trees such as oak, teak, pine, bamboo, tan, beech, and cherry. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Manipur. Paddy is the chief crop grown here. Other crops grown are sugarcane, potato, tobacco, rubber, coffee, mustard, and pulses. Fruits like pineapple, banana, peach, pear, and lemon are also grown here. Mizoram is located in northeastern part of India. Its neighboring states are Manipur, Assam, and Tripura. It has Myanmar to the east and south and Bangladesh to west. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Other important cities of these states are Lundley and Champai. Mizoram consists mainly of valley, hills, and mountain ranges. The highest peak of Mizoram is called the Blue Mountain. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the northeastern part of India. Assam and Nagaland are its neighboring states. It has Myanmar to the east, China to its north, and Bhutan to its west. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Other important cities are Tawang, Bonidila, and Bholotpon. The state consists mainly of mountainous ranges, some of which are parts of the Lesser Himalayas and some of the Greater Himalayas. Tandtu is the highest peak in the state. River Brahmaputra flow through the state. Other major rivers are Lohit, Subansiri, Tirap, and Taman. River Lohit flowing through Arunachal Pradesh. Almost two-thirds of the state is covered with forest. Pine forests are found in abundance at lower altitudes. Rare species of orchids and rhododendrons are also found here. More than half of the population of Arunachal Pradesh is engaged in agriculture. The main crops grown here are rice, corn, maize, millet, and buckwheat, while seeds, potato, ginger, sugarcane, and vegetables are also grown. Sikkim is one of the smallest states located in the northeastern parts of India. West Bengal is the neighboring state of Sikkim. China lies to its north, Bhutan to the southeast, and Nepal to the west. Dandtot is the capital of Sikkim. Other important cities are Rangpoi, Jorthan, and Sindham in Sikkim. Sikkim is a highly mountainous region. Kanchenjunga, India's highest peak, lies on the Sikkim border with Nepal. The major rivers that flow through the states are Tista and Ranjit. The southern western parts of Sikkim, which lies at the lower altitude, experience warm summer and cold winter. More than two-fifths of the Sikkim is under forest cover. Sal tree, palms, bamboo, ferns, and orchids are commonly found here. Trees such as oak, maple, chestnut, magnolia, rhododendron, fir, and spruce are also found. Most of the Sikkim is too rocky and steep for agriculture. Wherever possible, corn, rice, buckwheat, and barley are grown in terrace farms. Gingers, potato, vegetables, fruits, and tea are also grown. Sikkim is one of the largest producers of cardamom in the world. Thank you.